So on your journey to having a lift fitted, it may be that you want to try a lift before you buy it, if you're not housebound and you can get out. So we have a showroom here in Calne in Wiltshire, showing a lot of different lifts that we do, and we've also got a showroom in Ferndown in Dorset where you can try the lifts out for yourself. And now a lot of people have got misconceptions about having lifts fitted and how they'll fit, like
how they're fixed to the stairs.
Yeah, they're fixed to the stairs and not the wall, which is a big one.
Yeah.
So yeah, coming to a showroom gives you a sense of what it's like to have a stairlift installed. You can try one, you can see, you know, a lot of people think it blocks the stairs and nobody else will be able to get past, which isn't the truth either. So yeah, you can have a try on the lifts. They are easier than you think.
They're not as complicated, are they? I think
it's literally one button, isn't it,
I
to
think
go up and down the
most
stairs.
people are very impressed, and they're sort of like, oh right, okay, that's not as bad as I thought, and the noise and getting on and off them.
Yeah, and I think sometimes it's a big purchase. Some people are very nervous about trying a product or how it will look in their home or whatever. So, you know, if you are able to come out and you would like to, we do have our showroom appointment. You have to book a showroom appointment just to make sure somebody is available to go through the lifts with you as well.
But also we like to do that so it gives you the whole showroom yourself. It gives you a bit more comfort and confidence that no one's watching you or anything like that. It's very warm and friendly. We offer you drinks and we've got, you know, toilet facilities and parking outside. So
So you can come to a showroom visit before the survey takes place, before we have a home visit or after. Sometimes it's better, well, either way.
It doesn't matter, but it's good afterwards, only because you could have a look at all these lifts and try them all, but actually only one's suitable for you when we come out. So then sometimes people come back again and try the one that's actually right for them. Or even when you do come to the showroom, if you can bring photos on your phone or whatever, that's really helpful, because then we can focus on the main lifts that would be suitable for you.
So we've also had people bring staircase dimensions.
Oh, they have,
we,
I know.
Which is great.
Yeah.
It's not obligatory, but it is pretty good.
We'd still have to come and take our own measurements.
So like I say, you know, if people are nervous about trying a lift or how it will look in their home or whatever, then a showroom appointment is great, because it will give you that confidence, hopefully, to take the next step on your journey to having one fitted.
Do you know what? More recently, actually, probably in the past year or two, people asked me to video them, to record them on their phones, so they can look back at it. They can look back and also show their relatives how it looks and how they've operated it.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. All right then. So the next part of our series of videos will be talking about the order process.
Yes.
So stay tuned for the next video.
Yes.